Hey, Micah. How did...
There's no Ruby.
Oh, she's out there. We'll find her. Micah, how did your clothes get all wet? Hey, look down there. Who's that?
Ruby.
Ruby. She came to see you.
Ruby, welcome in. Oh, Ruby.
Micah, how did your clothes get all wet?
Oh, Ruby, come in. Ruby's coming in.
She is. Did she eat all of her kale?
Okay, Ruby.
Do you need some help?
Okay, Ruby. Let Ruby come out. Ruby, come out. Let